In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make group tabs in Opera GX. If you like to keep your browser organized while working on different tasks, Opera GX offers a feature called workspaces that lets you group your tabs into separate sections. Instead of keeping every tab in a single row, you can organize related tabs into different workspaces and switch between them whenever you need. This makes it much easier to separate work, school, entertainment, or personal browsing. In this video, I'll show you how to enable workspaces, create new ones, and move your tabs into them. To get started, open Opera GX on your computer and click the Settings option to open the browser's settings page. Once the settings page appears, click the search box near the top and type Workspaces. This will quickly locate the feature without requiring you to scroll through all of the browser's settings. When the Workspaces option appears, make sure it is enabled. If it isn't already turned on, enable it so the feature becomes available in your browser. Once Workspaces are enabled, you can begin creating separate tab groups for different activities. Next, locate the Workspaces icon in the browser and right-click it. From the menu that appears, choose Manage Workspaces. This opens the Workspace Management window where you can create additional workspaces and customize them to suit your browsing needs. Inside the Manage Workspaces window, choose the option to add another workspace. You can create Workspace 2, Workspace 3, or as many workspaces as you need. After selecting the new workspace, click Create to save it. Your new workspace will now appear alongside your existing workspace, ready to hold its own set of browser tabs. Now it's time to organize your tabs. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard while selecting two tabs that you'd like to group together. Once the tabs are selected, right-click one of them and choose the option to Move to Workspace. Then select the new workspace you just created. The selected tabs will immediately move into that workspace. You can repeat the same process with other tabs. For example, switch to Workspace 3 and move several tabs into Workspace 2, or organize them however you prefer. Each workspace keeps its own collection of tabs, allowing you to separate projects and reduce clutter in your browser window. Once everything is organized, you can switch between your workspaces by simply clicking their icons. This gives you quick access to different groups of tabs without having every tab open in the same workspace. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,